Remember when you used to wake up ready to conquer the world? When your energy was limitless and that fire in the bedroom was automatic? For most men, life after 35 hits differently. You look in the mirror and think, I'm not old, so why do I feel so dim? The drive is gone, the stamina is gone, and honestly, it's starting to affect your confidence and your relationship. You chalk it up to stress, you blame work, you blame the kids. But deep down, you know something has physically changed. Here's the hard truth no one tells you. It owes not a lack of trying. It's a lack of biology. Your body's engine is there, but it's running out of fuel. And today, I'm going to show you how to refill the tank naturally. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, libido. Specifically, the male libido. When we're young, our bodies are flooded with hormones that make us hungry, aggressive, and amorous. But as we age, a few key things happen. First, testosterone levels naturally decline. It's a fact of life. After 30, levels drop about 1% a year. This doesn't just affect the gym, it affects your desire. Second, and this is the kicker, cortisol. That's your stress hormone. Modern life is a cortisol machine. Bills, traffic, notifications. And when cortisol goes up, testosterone goes down. They are chemical enemies. The result? You get tired by 9 p.m. You find excuses to go to bed early. And that spark you once had with your partner starts to feel like a distant memory. You might have tried those gas station pills. You know the ones. They give you a headache, make your face flush red, and treat the symptom, not the cause. They force blood flow, but they don't fix the desire. You don't need a chemical sledgehammer. You need nutritional support. You need to wake up the sleeping giant inside you. This is where ature'sField Adam's Desire comes into the picture. I've been researching natural supplements for a while, and the formulation of this specific blend is what caught my attention. ature'sField didn't just throw a bunch of random herbs into a capsule. They targeted the 3 pillars of male performance: drive, stamina, and vitality. Adam's Desire uses time-tested ingredients. We're talking about ancient roots and extracts known in traditional medicine for centuries, but now backed by modern understanding. It works with your body to help balance those hormones we talked about. It helps dial down the stress response while supporting healthy nitric oxide levels for circulation. Imagine waking up feeling like you again, feeling that drive, not just for intimacy, but for life. Imagine your partner giving you that look again because they sense the confidence and energy radiating off you. That's what we're aiming for here. It's not about being 18 again. It's about being the best version of you right now. Look, I only recommend things I genuinely believe can make a difference. If you are tired of feeling blah, if you are ready to reclaim that edge and show up fully for your partner and yourself, you need to check this out. I have linked the official product page for ature'sField Adam's Desire down in the video description below. Click that link. Go check out the ingredient list for yourself. See the reviews from other guys who made the switch. Don't just take my word for it. Do your research, but give your body the tool it needs to thrive. And hey, if you found this information valuable, if this hit home for you, hit that subscribe button right now. I'm making videos exactly like this one to help men optimize their health, mindset, and relationships. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Ring that bell notification so YouTube actually shows you the next video. One last thing. If this video helped one guy, it can help another. Maybe you have a buddy who's been a little off lately. You know the one. Send him this video. Share it. It might be the nudge he needs to get his spark back. It's time to stop fading into the background. It's time to step up. Check the link, do the work, and get back to feeling like Adam. I'll see you in the next one.